Want to know your DoorDash balance? It's easy. As of October 2025, DoorDash has a unified wallet feature in the app. To check your account credits, gift card balance, or refund status, open the DoorDash app and log in. Tap your profile icon, then select Account or Payments. Look for the Wallet or Credits section to see your totals. Gift cards can be added via Add Gift Card under Payments. Refunds show under Order History or Transactions. This allows you to see credits from promotions, Dasher earnings, gift cards, and refunds all in one place. Remember, balances are account specific. DoorDash balances include several types of funds that you can check in the app. Account credits are earned through promotions or Dasher payouts and expire after 6 months if unused. Gift cards, either physical or digital, are added to your account when you enter the code. Refunds are issued for canceled orders or issues and appear as refund credits within 3 to 5 business days. As of late 2025, DoorDash is piloting crypto-based credits for some users, with a growing trend toward eco-friendly, digital-only gift cards. Keep an eye out for AI-driven notifications about expiring credits in future app versions.